When we were children, we all look at the clouds and we try to find shapes. In this project, we are also going to try to find shapes, and I assure you that each one of you will be able to find the shapes you want. I did it with my birds because I like birds, but who likes other types of figures or even abstract, it can also work. It is a project for everyone, and you should do it not only once, but you should keep practicing because it works better every time. This project is very easy. Some people say they are not artists and that the only thing they can do is scribble. Well, this project is about scribble. We need to scribble. Just scribble on the entire sheet of paper. The more we scribble, the better. Do not forget to fill the corners of the paper. You can make straight lines or curves. The next step is to start looking for the shapes and highlight them with the pencil. Depending on what you are going to do, they will appear to you. If you need to scribble more, you can do it. Just keep looking. Once you have them, you can start to color them. You can add the color with markers, watercolors, crayons, or whatever you have available. This was done with markers, and this one using only textures. If you only have one color, you can make different textures or use only black and white. I did this project with children from the age of 5 in my art class. You can also share it with your children. And here you can see how they work abstract. Their artworks were really beautiful. This is mine. I haven't finished it yet. I still don't know what I'm going to do with the background, but I want to share them right away so that you can start working and share your pictures in the comments and enjoy it.